This channel is designed with you in mind. We review human and synthetic wigs and so much more. So definitely subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for new uploaded videos. And follow me on Instagram. Loving the new packaging on the box? The glitter really makes it pop. Love me some Luvme hair. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, Swiss lace, and the color on the lace is medium brown. Okay guys, today we're going to be doing a full install. Yes, have not done this in quite some time. Okay, the unit that we're going to be installing is from Luvme Hair. It's their beautiful bob. Now listen, she has already been shampooed, conditioned, and everything. So we have sprayed the Ebon tinted lace aerosol spray, the color light warm, onto our lace, and now we are applying the Salon Pro 30 lace glue. Now those that have been watching my YouTube channel for the past over 10 years since I've been on the channel know that I have alopecia and it has really been acting up. So we did a big chop and we're trying to work on the alopecia as well. But we're going to be laying a couple of layers of that Salon Pro 30 and letting it dry. We have already cut our lace and then we're going to apply it. Now the lace is still drying. This Salon Pro 30 is a good lace adhesive. It's been a long time since I did a install with this particular lace glue, but I like it. Now the cleanup can be messy, but they have so many new cleanup products to get your glue off your lace that I'm telling you, I know everybody's using Got to Be glue, but I love the Salon Pro 30. And I get this from my local beauty supply store. So now we're going to flat iron her, okay? Now she flat irons with ease, really nicely, because I have applied her with the glue. I would have rather styled her on a mannequin's head and probably would have did a better job of flat ironing her. But she is really nice. The hair texture is really soft. The density on this unit is 150. And that's going to give it that really natural look when it comes to this bob style. Now the color on this one is natural black. We are using some pomade, Murray's light, super light pomade to lay down the flyaways, and it does a great job. So now we're adding our favorite powder to bring out the part. Again, the density on this one is 150, so it gives you a really natural looking style. Thank you so much for watching. All the information on this unit will be down in my description box. If you like this one, add her to your wig collection. Bye-bye.